Hi everybody, welcome to you, all of you in South Point Boarding School online classes. I am science teacher. I am going to teach you subject science. The topic name and is carbon and its compounds. Do you know about the carbons? Carbon occupies 60% of our total body composition, and all of the matter that present in the universe, there are nearly 60% of the part of carbons of a living being. So carbon is the very important elements and many organic compounds that is composed with the help of a carbon element. So its a symbol is a C. Its a symbol is C, and valency is O, and name carbon. Its atomic number is 6. It shows the bonding type co-electrovalence and tetravalency. It means tetravalency. It means it has 4 bond between carbon to carbon, like C. Here is the present of the carbons 1, 2, 3 and 4. So such type of bonding is called tetravalent bonds of carbon. So carbon always shows tetravalency during a bonding of covalent type, but its bond with the other elements like hydrogens is called unicovalent bonds, like H, C and H. Such type of bonding is called unicovalent bonds, and it is known as tetravalency. Students, you know about the hydro and carbon. Hydrogen plus carbon. What do you mean by hydrocarbons? The compounds that is composed with the help of the carbon and hydrogens is known as hydrocarbons, such as the compounds like CH4, C2H6, CH2OH, all are the type of the hydrocarbons. How you can say that? The hydrocarbons is classified into 2 types. Hydrocarbons. Hydro means hydrogen plus carbon. Those compound that is composed with the help of the hydrogen and carbon is known as the hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon is classified into 2 types. Saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Firstly, we know about the saturated hydrocarbons. What is saturated hydrocarbons? The saturated hydrocarbons means such type of the hydrocarbons that contains only one bond, or it means single bond during a chemical reactions between element to element. Examples e.g. CH4 Here we can say that it is a saturated hydrocarbons because it contains single bond between hydrogen and carbon. It is single and it is also single, it is also single, it is also single. So it is saturated hydrocarbon, and saturated hydrocarbon is also known as a alkane. What? Alkane. In alkanes there are only type of the saturated hydrocarbons, and unsaturated hydrocarbons are alkene, alkyne. There are two. So we firstly going to know about the saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbon means such type of hydrocarbons that is formed by the bonding between carbon and carbons is single. It's called saturated hydrocarbons. The example: alkane. Alkane is saturated hydrocarbons. You know about the alkanes. The properties of alkene. First point, it has single covalent bond between carbon to carbon. It has single covalent bond with carbon and hydrogens. The covalent bond in saturated hydrocarbons is very stable, strong and hard. Due to covalent bond of saturated hydrocarbons, they are very less reactive towards chemical reaction. Because the covalent bonds are very hard, which is very strong to broken, very strong to broken. Similarly, CgCH4. It's a type of alkane because CH, and H. During chemical reaction, covalent bonds of carbon to carbon is very strong and hard. So electrophiles when attacked during a chemical reactions, when electrophile attack between carbon and hydrogen bonds here, which is very strong, so it is very hard to broke it. So it is less reactive towards the chemical reaction because the electrons of such element is not moves easily from it. So it is very strong compared to the alkene and alkyne. See another example of ethane. Ethane molecular formula C2H6, and in ethane it is represented as C. In ethane, the bonding between carbon and hydrogens is also covalent electrobonds. When electrophile attack between carbon and hydrogen, it is very hard to break. Similarly, the electrophile also attack between carbon to carbons, that is also very strong. So it is not easy to break. So it is very hard and stable. Due to that, it is less reactive towards the chemical reaction. Student, I will meet you next day for next video. Okay, bye.